Hello all. In the previous class, we have studied what is a scalar point function, what is the gradient of a scalar point function, and a few properties of gradient and scalar point functions. In today's video, we will study few more properties of scalar point functions and the gradient in the form of few problems. So the first problem, if phi of xyz is a scalar point function and r is a position vector, r is equal to x into I cap plus y into j cap plus z into k cap, then show that d phi is equal to del phi dot dr. D phi represents the total differential of the scalar point function. Since the function is dependent on three variables x, y and z, first of all we'll write what is d phi. D phi is equal to dou phi by dou x into dx, this is pertaining to the variable x, plus dou phi by dou y into dy plus dou phi by dou z into dz. I have to prove that if I take the dot product of del phi and dr, I should get d phi. So let's start with the dot product of del phi and dr. Del phi, by definition, this is dou phi by dou x into I cap plus dou phi by dou y into j cap plus dou phi by dou z into k cap. I have to take the dot product with dr, that is the differential of the vector r. So that becomes, this is x, the position vector, the first coordinate is x. So if I differentiate, this becomes dx into I cap plus y becomes dy into j cap plus z becomes dz into k cap. I'll take the dot product. While taking the dot product, what is the rule? I take the coordinates of the I, vector I, then multiply them plus multiply the coordinates of j plus multiply the coordinates of k. So this is equal to dou phi by dou x into dx plus the coordinates of j, dou phi by dou y this side and dy there, plus dou phi by dou z, coordinates of k, into dz. So that this is exactly our d phi, the total differential of phi. Therefore, we have the result del phi dot dr is equal to d phi. Problem number 2. Show that phi of xyz is a constant if and only if del phi is equal to 0. That is, the scalar point function phi, it becomes a constant function if and only if the gradient of phi is equal to 0. There are two parts here. First part is, we assume phi of xyz is a constant and then prove that del phi is equal to 0. In the second part, we assume del phi is equal to 0 and show that phi of xyz is a constant. I'll start with the first part. That is, we'll assume that phi of xyz is a constant. Since phi of xyz is a constant, say it is equal to some constant c. Then I will prove that del phi is equal to 0. What is del phi? Del phi is equal to dou phi by dou x into I cap plus dou phi by dou y into j cap plus dou phi by dou z into k cap. Phi is a constant, so phi I will replace as dou c by dou x into I cap plus dou c by dou y into j cap plus dou c by dou z into k cap. C is a constant, so the partial derivatives become 0. Therefore, this is 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is del phi is equal to 0. Similarly, the second part, we will assume that del phi is equal to 0. That is dou phi by dou x into I cap plus dou phi by dou y into j cap plus dou phi by dou z into k cap is equal to 0. 0 vector, it is a three-dimensional vector, can be written as 0 into I cap plus 0 into j cap plus 0 into k cap. Two vectors are equal here, so that the coordinates in the particular axis must be equal. In the direction of x-axis, it is I cap, the coordinate is dou phi by dou x. Here it is 0, so dou phi by dou x is 0. In the direction of y-axis, the coordinate is dou phi by dou y. Here it is 0, therefore dou phi by dou y is 0. In the direction of z-axis, dou phi by dou z must be equal to 0. What does this tell us? I take the function phi of xyz, differentiate partially in all the three directions. The partial derivative is 0. That means phi does not possess any coordinate, or phi of xyz is a constant. So that proves the second problem. The third problem, show that gradient of c phi is equal to c times gradient of phi, where c is a constant. This simply means that if I take the gradient of a function multiplied by a scalar, that is equal to the gradient of the function multiplied by that particular scalar. We'll see how to solve this. We need only apply the definition of gradient. We'll start from left hand side. Del of c phi is equal to, by definition, if I have any function phi, then it becomes dou phi by dou x into I cap. Now my function is not phi, my function is c into phi, so that it is dou of c phi by dou x. Similarly, dou of c phi by dou y into j cap plus dou of c phi by dou z into k cap. C is common here. C is constant and it can be taken outside the partial derivative. When I differentiate, constants can be kept outside. So c into dou phi by dou y into j plus c into dou phi by dou z into k. C is common in all the three terms. So c into dou phi by dou x into I cap plus dou phi by dou y into j cap plus dou phi by dou z into k cap. This is nothing but the definition of del phi. So c into del phi. For del of c phi is equal to c into del phi. We'll move on to the fourth problem. Fourth problem is nothing but the algebra of gradient. If I have two scalar point functions phi and psi, what happens when I take the difference or the sum of those two functions and then take the gradient? So it is a simple one. Gradient of phi plus or minus psi is equal to gradient of phi plus or minus gradient of psi. We'll simply prove this using the definition. It is simply the application of definition. I'll take the left hand side, del of phi plus or minus psi, that is equal to, instead of single function, I have a combination of functions. By definition, it is dou by dou x of the function, that is phi plus or minus psi into I cap plus dou by dou y of phi plus or minus psi into j cap plus dou by dou z of phi plus or minus psi into k cap. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಫೈ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ. ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾವ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈ, ದೇ ಫೋರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈ. ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿರೈವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ದೆಮ್ ಇಂಟು ಟೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಡೋ ಬೈ ಡೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡೋ ಬೈ ಡೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈ ಇಂಟು ಐ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ plus dou by dou y of phi plus or minus dou by dou y of psi into j cap plus dou by dou z of phi plus or minus dou by dou z of psi into k cap. Whatever is there in phi. I will combine them together. I have 1, 2, 3 terms in phi. So that is, the first one is dou phi by dou x into I cap, dou phi by dou x into I cap. Second one is plus dou phi by dou y into j cap. j cap ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ನಾನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. dou phi by dou y into j cap ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ನಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ dou phi by dou z into ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎರಡನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವುದು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಎರಡನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್? ಸೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೈ ದಿಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ, ದ ಸೈನ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ dou psi by dou x into I cap plus or minus dou psi by dou y into j cap plus or minus dou psi by dou z into k cap. This I will group together. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ dou phi by dou x into I cap plus dou phi by dou y into j cap plus dou phi by dou z into k cap ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, dou psi by dou x into I cap ಪ್ಲಸ್ dou psi by dou y into j cap ಪ್ಲಸ್ dou psi by dou z into k cap. First one, by definition it is nothing but gradient of phi plus or minus. Second term, by definition it is gradient of psi. Therefore this property is solved. Del of phi plus or minus psi is equal to del of phi plus or minus del of psi. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡುವ. ಸಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರೇಡಿಯಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಗ್ರೇಡಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್? This is analogous to my differentiation of two functions. If I want to differentiate two functions, product of f into g, how do we do this? I keep f as constant, differentiate g plus keep g constant and then differentiate x. Similarly here, gradient of product of two functions ಇದ್ದಾಗ phi constant ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು gradient of the second one plus second function is kept constant into gradient of the first one. How shall we prove this? We will prove this simply by using the definition. Start ಮಾಡುವ. I'll start from the left hand side. Del of phi into psi. I'll apply the definition. Dou by dou x of the function, that is phi into psi into I cap, plus dou by dou y of the function, that is phi into psi into j cap, plus dou by dou z of the function phi into psi into k cap. Now I have partial derivative of product of two functions. Partial derivatives already namage product rule gottide, so I will apply the product rule here. I keep phi constant, differentiate psi, plus I keep psi constant and differentiate phi. First term ಆಯಿತು. Second term ಮಾಡುವ. I keep phi constant, differentiate psi, differentiation ಇಲ್ಲಿ with respect to y ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, plus psi constant ಇಟ್ಟು differentiate phi into j cap, plus the third term, differentiation is z now. I keep phi constant, differentiate psi plus psi constant, differentiate phi. Differentiation is with respect to z into k cap. Now ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನನಗೆ ಫೈ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸೈ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫೈ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೈ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಫೈ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ? ಫೈ dou psi by dou x, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಐಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಫೈ ಇದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಫೈ dou psi by dou y, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಜೆಯಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಫೈ ಇಂಟು dou psi by dou z, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕೆಯಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಎತ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. 1 2 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. psi ಇಂಟು dou phi by dou x ಇಂಟು I cap ಪ್ಲಸ್ psi ಇಂಟು dou phi by dou y ಇಂಟು j cap plus psi into dou phi by dou z into k cap. Phi is common in this first term. Phi common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ dou psi by dou x into I cap plus dou psi by dou y into j cap plus dou psi by dou z into k cap. Second term in the psi common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ dou phi by dou x into I cap plus dou phi by dou y into j cap plus dou phi by dou z into k cap. By definition, this is gradient of function is psi plus psi into, by definition, this is gradient, my function is phi. So that it is phi into del psi, or ಮೇಲೆ ಥರನೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ phi into del of psi plus psi into del of phi. Therefore, similar to product rule for derivatives, gradient ಬರಿಬೋದು.